The gift that counts. Mia was excited about her best friend Sarah's birthday. She wanted to get her the perfect gift but didn't have much money to spend. As she walked through the shops, nothing felt special enough. Feeling discouraged, Mia decided to make something instead. Mia spent the night drawing and writing memories they had shared over the years. She put them together in a handmade scrapbook filled with heartfelt notes and pictures. On Sarah's birthday, Mia handed her the gift nervously. Sarah's eyes lit up as she flipped through the pages. "This is the best gift I've ever received," she said with tears of joy. Mia realized then that true gifts come from the heart and don't need to be expensive to be meaningful. Lesson: the most valuable gifts are those that show love and thoughtfulness.